In this video, I'll explain how to build a simple tool to help increase your tolerance for walking barefoot. Now, one of the biggest gripes on the forums for barefoot running is how do people tolerate different terrain? People think that everything must be pristine, soil, if they're walking on the ground. They have a hard time imagining dealing with the variability of the outdoors while being barefoot. They need the protection of soles, of shoes to help them, they believe. But I'm here to show you that if you practice long enough on the different substrates, that you'll be able to walk barefoot anywhere. There will be no hazard too dire for you to walk on. It just takes a little practice, it takes some proprioception, and it just takes some awareness. And that this tool can help develop your ability to walk barefoot on any terrain. We'll be taking these components, a 16-inch by 4-foot plywood board, 2x2 wood at 4 feet, 2x2 wood by 16 inches, spray paint, drill, 2.5-inch screws, pea pebbles, and marble chips. Okay, now that the board has had a chance to dry, we're going to put in our filling components, whichever aggregate you choose. If you want something smooth, you can start with the pea pebbles, which feel like almost a beach consistency, a rough beach, or you can go for a more advanced aggregate like the marble chips. Or if you want to simulate hiking in the woods, you can go for a mulch. And so I'll put all three in here so you can see the difference. If you have a hard time walking on any of these surfaces barefoot, then this is a perfect tool for you. Okay, now I'll demonstrate walking. I mean, this is a pretty simple tool. It is very effective, but the biggest effectiveness of this comes during inclement weather, when it's raining outside, when you can't bother to go outside, it's too cold, and you can just practice indoors with this tool. Again, I would advise that you put one material at a time and practice walking back and forth, doing lunges, squatting with one material at a time. I've put all three so you can get an idea of the variations of the textures that you can involve in performing barefoot walks. Now, I hope you guys will find great help with this tool, and it will prepare you for the next step in your barefoot journey, which would be to hike barefoot and to walk naturally on the streets barefoot. If you found this informative, please press the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.